Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Shining Gundam Full Suit Build Series Part 4. Today we're going to try on the entire suit. As you can see, I have everything laid out, so hopefully I can get everything on without much issue. The only big issue I think I might have is with getting the shoes on, because I got to put my sneakers in first, then put the thigh and shins on, then the feet itself. So let's see how this turns out. There you go. I've got the entire suit on except the backpack. I still have to figure out how I want to make sure that doesn't fall off. Still some adjustments to do in the arms because the pieces aren't sliding up as much as I want them to. And also I need to cut some of the parts around my legs. I guess I have to make the shin pieces a little bit wider at the top. And with the boots I still have to figure that out as well. So that's it for right now. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and also don't forget to hit the thumbs up to let me know that you liked the video. Thank you for watching.